Hello. Today is August 31st, 2021. My name is Daniel Mullany, and behind the camera is Diego Juarez. Today we'll be filming a fully refurbished 8300S semi-tool spin rinse dryer. This customer is located here in the United States, and their PO number ends in 000929. So this system is a 8300S, meaning it is capable of running up to high-profile 8-inch cassettes and substrates. It has the anti-static unit and DI water recirculation included, along with our state-of-the-art touchscreen SlickDevice Controllers. Coming to the back of the system, and our serial number is SRD-01357. So this system is equipped to handle high-profile 8-inch. So as I mentioned right here, we have 8-inch substrates and a standard high-profile cassette. Go ahead and get that one running. Okay, so as you can see, you got the rinse starting right there. Minimal vibration to the system. Everything looks good. This system also includes inserts, so you can run 6-inch. So let me stand in the front of the system right here. So there we go. So here I'm pulling out the a 6-inch cassette. If you were to change substrate sizes, it's as simple as taking our insert and sliding it in to the system as such. Now we just went from 8-inch to 6-inch. So I'll go ahead and take our 6-inch cassette now and slide it in. So that's how easy it is to change substrate sizes in the spin rinse dryer using our rotor and insert combination. I'll go ahead and get this system started now too. Okay. Great, so everything's looking good. The bottom system is spinning at a high RPM right now, 1800 for our dry one step. This is our high RPM first step that's used to sling the majority of the water off the cassette and substrates. Our top system here is currently in rinse for another 5 seconds. This is a 500 RPM rinse before it'll go into a purge step, which will evacuate water from the rinse manifold to ensure that there's nothing that will drip out during the dry cycles. So simple as that. The purge step is already complete, and now we are in the same high RPM dry step. Following this high RPM dry, we're going to go into about a 4 to 4.5 minute dry 2, where we're going to bring back down from this 1800 RPM set point down to a 500 RPM set point, and let the heating elements and the nitrogen finish the drying requirements of the SRD. So, Sitek has been around since 1998, and we have refurbished over 2,500 spin rinse dryers. It's what we absolutely specialize in. Every spin rinse dryer that we sell goes through the same extensive rebuild process, where we're going to take a spin rinse dryer and we'll break it down to the component level entirely. From there, we'll individually chemically clean and electro-polish all the metal parts. We'll also recut all the poly as needed for the outside skins. We'll replace a set of components automatically. Anything that's considered consumable, such as seals, tubing, the heaters, filters, anything like that is automatically replaced. And then we'll also rebuild the rest of the parts, which will be the motor, the ACR valves, the rotor stop positioner, and any other item like that. Once the system has been fully prepped, we will build it up to the configuration requested by the customer. In this case, our configuration is a double stack 8300S spin rinse dryer. Once the system finishes its assembly phase, we will then bring it into our final test area, which is where we are now. Once we're in the final test, we're going to emulate the fab environment as best we can by providing a variety of different recipes and a variety of different process runs, so that way when the system arrives at your site, it is ready for a plug-and-play run. So we've got about 4 or 4.5 minutes left on this dry 2 before we'll inspect the cassette and substrates and finish up this drying process. So, in addition to the spin rinse dryers, we also have 100% of the spare parts and services needed for them. That means that any possible consumable or service that you need, we offer. That would be repairs such as controller repairs, motor repairs, amp repairs, or rotor rebalancing as some examples, and all of the spare parts such as windows, door seals, heaters, ACR valves, solenoid valves, the rotor upright positioner, the motor controller, the touchscreen controller. All of those parts are provided as spare parts as well. Sitek is the expert in the semi-tool spin wrench dryer, and we have everything you need for your system and your fleet of systems. However, Sitek also refurbishes a variety of other equipment in addition to the spin wrench dryer. An example of one of those would be right next to us. This CEE 4000 coat bake track is expected to ship next week. This system will be passing around 4-inch substrates where we have a send station, a coat station, a bake hot plate, we have an ambient chill plate, and a receive station. So this system is a really nice compact tabletop version of a simple track that's very effective for small scale wafer production. With that system, Sitek will also be providing the photoresist pumps. We'll be providing a millipore pump and controller that will handle the customer's viscosity for their resist dispense. So, although the CE 4000 is one example of the other equipment we work on, there are many other systems. A main system would be the box washer, Floraware HTC 8000 series, the 8030, 8020, 8010, 8000, and 4000. We also work on mask cleaners such as Ultratech, Ultra T, and K&S. We recently had one of our customers send us in a system that has a damaged rack and pinion assembly for the high pressure spray arm that we'll be servicing. We also provide photoresist pumps, as I mentioned, millipore and Cybor and IDI. We also work on Gertner ellipsometers, 10-core particle counters and profilometers, Branson IPC 2000, 3000, and 4000 barrel ash and etch tools, and some tabletop furnaces. So really a whole variety of equipment we work on here, all of which can be found on our website. And if you have any questions additionally about that, we suggest giving us a call at 797-9000. Almost gave out my cell phone number right there. Okay, so taking a look back at our system here, we have a successful run nearing completion. We have 15 seconds left of dry 2 on the bottom, and we'll be inspecting that shortly. Coming to the back, everything drained out properly throughout the process, no residual water or leaks anywhere, and everything looks just great. Okay, coming back to the front of the system. Once the system ramps down to 25 RPM or lower, the rotor stop positioner will fire, and once upright, we'll be able to inspect. Green means we're in operation, blue means successful run completed. So we'll go ahead and open the chamber door. The N2 is purging in hot, which is great. Taking out our cassette and substrates, and the cassette is warm and the substrates are dry and ready for the next step in the manufacturing process. Okay, the top system is complete now as well. See, yellow now means we're in idle. Okay, top system is now complete, blue. Top chamber is also purging in hot. Cassette is warm, and all of our substrates are dry, ready for the next step in your manufacturing process. So this was a successful demonstration of a 8300S semi-tool spin wrench dryer. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to view this today. Again, my name is Daniel Mullany, and this video was filmed for Sitek Process Solutions. If you'd like to learn more about our products, please visit our website at www.sitekprocess.com, spelled S-I-T-E-K, or give us a call at 916-797-9000, and to reach me directly, please dial extension 2201. Thanks again, and have a great day.